Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Python Programs. Today we will learn how to use Python's interactive interpreter mode of writing programs. This is the interface of Python's interactive interpreter or Python shell, also known as Python's IDLE. IDLE means Integrated Development Learning Environment, where it provides a prompt and we can write commands on that or syntax on that and execute them just by pressing enter. So let us begin with an example. Let us type 7 plus 6 and press enter. So you can see the sum of 7 and 6 is given over here, that is 13. Now let us declare a variable, say a is equal to 7, and we write a, just a, and press enter. You can see the value of a is getting printed. Now since a is a variable and it stores the value 7, so 7 over here is an object, and every object has a type or a data type and one address, that is ID address it is known as. So we can get both of these by following this command. Say we write type a, that means what is the data type of a. So you can see as soon as we press enter, it gives class int. So a, which is storing the value 7 at this point, belongs to the class int. Suppose we change the data type of a, you write a is equal to say 9.7, press enter, and again we check what is the data type of a. We write say type and a, press enter. You can see the class this time has changed to float because we have put 9.7. So because of the decimal point, the data type of a has changed to float. Now again we write a is equal to, say, within a single quote we write say ch a I, let us say we put a string, not s, sorry, say a only. A is equal to chair, press enter. Then again we write type a, so it gives class str. That means this time the data type of a has changed to string class, string, that is str. So this is a very versatile feature of Python programming language, that a variable can store any type of data at any point of time, and we don't have to define a variable with a particular data type. So it is a very versatile feature of Python. Now let us try one more thing. Say we take a string, say shout. Let us take the string shout, and we put into and we put 3. Okay, shout, then we write into and 3, then we press enter. So you can see a string has been created 3 times, that is shout, shout, shout. So this is again a very useful feature of Python and not found in most of the programming languages. Similarly, we can check the ID of a variable. Say we write ID and we write say 5 over here, ID 5, and press enter. So you can see a number is given. So this number is actually the memory address or memory location of the object 5. So 5 is an object whose memory location is this. Now we write, say again we write a is equal to 5. Okay, and this time we find the ID of a. So what we find, that a is assigned the same address where 5 is located. So you can see the address 1449055578555. Okay, So this type of things are available in interactive mode. We can say evaluate expression, like we write eval is a built-in function, and this function must be written within strings. We write 8 plus 9 and we close the string and close the bracket of the function, press enter. So you can see the result 17 is printed. So eval will evaluate a string. So eval is a built-in function of Python where it can evaluate a string expression whatever we give, and there must be content must be of numeric data type. Now again we can write, say, if you write bin, again another useful function of Python, we write 5 and press enter. So you can see 0B101. So this 101 is the binary equivalent of 5. Similarly, for octal values OCT, we can write and give, say, 4 and press enter. So this is the octal value of 4, that is 0 and then O4. Hexadecimal values also can be found by the hex function, say 77, let us give 77. So 77's hexadecimal value is O, or rather 0x4d. So these are some of the very interesting built-in functions of Python. Similarly, we can find the ordinal Unicode value of a character. Ordinal Unicode value. What is that? Let us find out. With the function ORD, that is again a built-in function. Say we give the character over here, say P, capital P. Okay, and press enter. So as soon as you press enter, you can see 80 is given. So this is the ordinal Unicode value of the character P. We know that each character has a Unicode value, and this is known as ordinal Unicode value. Similarly, we get a reverse function, that is CHR. If this function, if you use, say we give 65, that is the ordinal value we give, and press enter. So you can see it prints capital A over here. That means the ordinal value of capital A is 65. So you can find which character is 65. If you don't know what character, say, is, say, 113, let us say. So we write CHR and 113 and then press enter. You can see it is lowercase q. Okay. So like this, we can use the interactive mode of Python to write and execute small statements. Also, you can write greater code in this. This is how we use Python's interactive mode. Thank you for watching the video.